you've ever had difficulty finding exactly the right length of metal zip, then this is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to shorten a metal zip, and it's easier than you might think. So first of all, we're going to lay our zip down next to our pattern so that we can mark out exactly how long we want it to be, keeping in mind seam allowances. Then we're going to remove this top stopper because we're going to need it for later, so set it aside somewhere safely. Then we're going to cut just a couple of centimeters above the desired length so that we can then cut away those metal teeth. So we want to finish our cut right next to our chalk line. Next we are going to grab our pliers and remove the top metal tooth on both sides of the zip so that we can then replace it with our metal stop. Before doing that, I like to burn all the edges just to make sure that nothing's going to fray. And then this part here can be quite fiddly, which is getting that metal stop and just opening it up, because we've yanked it off but it's not open enough to get back on easily. So once it's open enough, then we're using our pliers to just slide it back on and close it. And then we're all done. And our zip is finished and looks just like a bought one, except it is exactly the right length that you need it to be.